ሰላም ጤና ይስጥልን። በሁለተኛው የትምህርት አይነት ወይም የእንግሊዝኛ የ2017 ዓ.ም ሚኒስትሪ ጥያቄዎችን ይዤላችሁ መጥቻለሁ። መልሶቹ ላይ ፎከስ አድርገን ነው ምንባቡን ለእናንተ በመቶ እንግዲህ ጥያቄዎች ላይ ፎከስ አድርገን ነው ቆይታ የምናደርገው ማለት ነው። እንግዲህ ቀጥታ ወደ መጀመሪያው ጥያቄ ነው ወይም ወደ መጀመሪያው ፓርት ነው የምንሄደው። መጀመሪያ ፓርት ላይ እንግዲህ ዩኒክ ኢትዮጵያን ኮፊ ሴሬሞኒ በሚል የተቀመጠ እዚህ ጋር እንደምትመለከቱት የተቀመጠ የፓሴጅ አለ። ፓሴጁን መሰረት ያደረጉ ጥያቄዎችን እየሰራን ቆይታ የምናደርግ ይሆናል። ወይም እነዚህን ይህን ምንባብ መሰረት ያደረጉ ጥያቄዎችን መልስ እየሰጠን እንሄዳለን ማለት ነው። ወደ መጀመሪያው ጥያቄ ስንመጣ የመጀመሪያው ጥያቄ እዚህ ጋር እንደምትመለከቱት according to the passage what does በረካ symbolize in the tradition of Ethiopian coffee serving ceremony ይላል። ይህ እንግዲህ የመጀመሪያው ጥያቄ ነው። ፓሴጁን መሰረት አድርገን በዚህ ፓሴጅ መሰረት ትክክለኛው መልስ የሚሆነው ኤ the start of the coffee ceremony, B the end of the coffee ceremony, C the process of the coffee ceremony, D a blessing for a ceremony participants ይላል። ይሄ ማለት ትክክለኛው መልስ የሚሆነው ዲ ላይ ያለው ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ሁለተኛ ጥያቄ what role does the Ethiopian coffee ceremony play in a social interaction? A it can facilitate conflict resolution and reinforce community ties የሚለው ኤ ላይ ያለው የዚህ ጥያቄ ትክክለኛው መልስ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ሶስተኛ ጥያቄ what does the phrase each cup of coffee carrying centuries of traditions in paragraph 3 line 4 implies? ስለዚህ this phrase implies the importance of a coffee cup in carrying traditions passed down through generation የሚለው ዲ ላይ ያለው የዚህ ጥያቄ መልስ ይሆናል። አራተኛ ጥያቄ what does the word it in paragraph 1 line 1 refers to? This it implies or it refers to the Ethiopian coffee ceremony. The Ethiopian coffee ceremony. C is the correct answer. Question number 5. What does the term each in paragraph 2 line 1 stands for? So the correct answer is D, the distinct round of coffee serving. Question number 6. What does the word marks in paragraph 1 line 3 contextually mean? Marks or it marks contextually means A indicates የሚለው የዚህ ጥያቄ ትክክለኛው መልስ ይሆናል። Marks means indicates. 7. Some varieties of mushrooms are dash and so they are very toxic when eaten. The correct answer is A, poisonous. Question number 8. In hot areas, people enjoy walking at dash when the sky turns dark and the street lights begin to glow as air becomes cooler and calmer. The correct answer is dash B. B is the correct answer. Question number 9. Scientists have observed that some frogs dash toxins to protect themselves from predators. The correct answer is release. D is the answer. Peace is the dash or peace is the blank of stability and security in a nation. So the correct answer is C, manifestation. Question number 11. The school committee works hard to dash the school project and inaugurates it by the end of the year. The correct answer is B. B. Accomplish. 12. The artist's genuine painting were sold at an auction for a record price. A. Honest. B. Copied. C. Original. D. Counterfeit. So the right answer is genuine means the original. Question number 12. The answer is C. Question number 13. Some schools in Addis Ababa city administration are highly discriminating in their admission process, accepting only outstanding students. So the meaning of discriminating in this context, it means selective. Selective. A is the correct answer. Question number 50. The Green Legacy Initiative launched by the Ethiopian government and has high contributed to the replantation effort aimed at restoring degraded land across the country. So replantation means deforestation. Question number 15. He was very kind. So, kind means the right answer is for 15. It is generous. C. Question number 16. The new law will change the way businesses operate in the country. So, change means it's alter. C, B. It's alter. B is the correct answer. Okay. Section 3, reading passage or the passage 2. እነዚህን ፓሴጆችን በደንብ እናንተው እዩዋቸው ወይም ያው ስትፈተኑ የሰራቻቸው ስለሆኑ ፓሴጆቹን በደንብ ፎከስ አድርጋችሁ ፓሴጁን መሰረት ያደረጉ ጥያቄዎችን ወደ ሁለተኛው እንሄዳለን ማለት ነው። ወይም ሪዲንግ ፓሴጅ ወይም ፓሴጅ 2 ነው። ሁለት ፓሴጆች ወይም ወደ ፓሴጅ 2 አልፈናል ማለት ነው። ሶ ፓሴጅ 2 17ኛ ጥያቄ which one of the following is not an example of renewable resource according to the passage? So according to the passage, not examples of renewable resource is C, coal. Question number 18. Why is sustainable management of natural resource important as stated in the passage? So, according to the passage, the correct answer will be D, to ensure future generation have to the necessary resource. D is the right answer. Question number 19. Based on the passage, what can be inferred about the relationship between the extraction of non-renewable resource and environmental conditions? So, the correct answer for question number 19 is B. It is the extraction of renewable resources often leads to environmental problems. Question number 20. What does the emphasis on responsible use of renewable resource suggest? So, according to the passage above, the right answer is B. Humans fully understand how to regenerate resources properly. Question number 21. What does the word they in paragraph 1, line 3 stands for? They. So, the right answer is C. The natural resource. Question number 22. What does the word this in paragraph 4, line 2 refers to? So, this indicates the sustainable management of natural resource, which is B. 23. The word prime in paragraph 3, line 2 contextually means prime means major, which is D. If we had clean river water in Addis Ababa, we would have swum. So, A is the correct answer. We did not swim in the river because the water was not clean. Question number 25. My friend has moved to Djibouti. My friend has moved to Djibouti. So, the right answer is D. My friend changed his residence to Djibouti. Question or part 2 or language focus or the grammar part. Grammar part 26. Question number 26. Dougie dash his hair every morning. So, the correct answer is C. Combs. Question number 27. Marathon runner was dash he was expected to be. The correct answer for this question is A. Not as fast as. Question number 28. Mekia dash her birthday last week. The correct answer is B. Celebrated. Question number 29. In this library, you dash use your cell phone to browse, not to make call. So, the correct answer is A. Can. You can browse. You can use your cell phone to browse, not to make a call. Question number 30. The patient avoided dash long distance as advised by his doctor. So, the correct answer is walking. D. Question number 31. Sarah blank a letter to her friend a day ago. The correct answer is C. Wrote. Sarah wrote. Question number 32. She is reading a novel written dash Fikra Marcos Desta. So, the correct answer is B. Written by Fikra Marcos Desta. 33. My friend dash to Nairobi 3 times. So, the right answer is C. Has been. 34. We have booked air tickets because we dash fly to Gambela tomorrow. So, the correct answer is A. we are going to fly to Gambela tomorrow. Question number 35. I met a man dash has many followers on Facebook. So, the correct answer is D. A man who has many followers on Facebook. 36. The teacher gave her dash advice. So, the correct answer will be B. A piece of advice. A piece of advice. Question number 37. The boy dash when his mother brought him a cup of tea. So, the boy was reading. C is the correct answer. Question number 38. The floor was wet because it blank. The correct answer is A, had rained. Question number 39. She blank flies due to her severe flight phobia. So, the correct answer is D. She never fly due to her severe flight phobia. Question number 40. Lionel Messi is a famous footballer. The right answer is C, isn't he? Question number 41. If you study hard, you all blank the mid-level school leaving certificate examination. The correct answer is will pass. A. Question number 42. This car blank last year was bought. B is the correct answer. Question number 43. The teacher is admired for her blank love towards her students. So, the teacher admired for her motherly love towards her students. So, A is the correct answer. Question number 44, or the speaking part, or part 3. 44. What would you like to take? Tea or coffee? Alex said, blend, I dash tea. The correct answer is A, preference, or I prefer tea. Question number 45. Hello, my name is Dagu. Dagu says. And Cabron? Hello, I'm Cabron. Dagu, nice to meet you. Cabron, dash, do you live? Cabron, nice to meet you. 2. I live in Addis Ababa. So, the correct to the blank space will be A, what, B, which, C, where, D, how. The right answer is C, where. Where do you live? Question number 46. What is like living in Addis Ababa, Cabron? Cabron, thus living in Addis Ababa is a bit challenging. So, the right response, or the right phrase to the blank space will be B, in my opinion. Question number 47. Blank, Dagu says blank, and then Cabron, I am a taxi driver. So, the correct answer will be C, what do you do? Question number 48. Bamlak, I think chocolate is best flavor of ice cream. Ala, I blank Bamlak. I think strawberry is much better. It's nutritious. So, Bamlak, but chocolate is classic. It is sweet. Ala maybe, but strawberry is lighter and flavorful. So, the right answer for the above blank space is D, I am afraid, or I disagree. I'm afraid, I disagree. 49. You blank, or the parent says, you blank, stay up so tomorrow is school day. You blank, stay up so late as tomorrow is school day. Chala? Okay, I will go to my bed as soon as I finish doing my homework. So, the right answer is should not, or you should not stay up so late. Question number 15. What do you do on weekend? Bontu, or Aisha says, Bontu dash. So, the correct answer is D, I enjoy playing with my friend outdoors. 51. Remember to study for the maths test. Students, I will blank. I need to stay for my history quiz. So, the right answer is C, similarly. 52. The student teacher explained lesson to his. So the right answer is A. The teacher explained the lesson to his students. Question number 53. Bring you your English textbook to school. Did. The right answer is did you bring your English textbook to school? So B is the answer. Question number 54. It is based on the above jumbled sentence. Section 2. So, next, boil water at around 200 degrees Fahrenheit. B. To make coffee, traditionally begin by roasting and grinding the coffee beans. C. After combine the ground coffee and hot water in a pot called Labano. Then keep it on a charcoal flame for about 4 to 5 minutes. Finally, pour the boiled coffee into cup and serve it. So, the correct order or the correct sequence will be D. D. Question number 55. So, question number 55. C is the sequenced or orderly arranged sentence. So, the answer for 55 is C. B, D, A, C. Okay, section 3, the punctuation and capitalization. 56. Which one of the following sentence is correctly punctuated? Correctly punctuated sentence is A. The oak tree located at the main gate of our school has provided shade for generation. 57. Of the following sentence, choose the one which is correctly punctuated and capitalized. So, the correctly punctuated and capitalized sentence from this option A to D is B, which is the author whose name I can't recall wrote, "The beautiful one are not yet born." Question number 58. Choose a correctly punctuated sentence. So, the right correctly punctuated sentence is A. Wow, what a spectacular sunset. A is the right answer. Section 4, or the letter writing or letter parts or letter writing. So, we are required to answer the following question number 59 and 60. So, question number 51. The part of the personal letter labeled as 1 is referred to as. So, the right answer is D, the sender's address. 1. Question number 16. The part of the letter that is labeled or numbered 4 is the body of the letter. Body or the body of the letter, which is A. Thanks for watching. See you next.